Hello everyone. Let us provide a solution to this interesting functional problem. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to other people. Let's get started. If a function takes values from the set of real numbers to real numbers, which implies that the function is defined on the set of real numbers. It satisfied f of x plus 3 times f of 1 minus x equal to x squared. Then we are asked to find the value of f of 1. I am going to present you two methods. Let's start with the first method. In the first method, I would like to solve the functional equation. Whenever you're asked to solve the functional equation, you have to write it as f of x equal to something something, dependent variables, x's. So let me rewrite the functional equation. F of x plus 3 times f of 1 minus x. This is equal to x squared. Now I would like to switch x with 1 minus x. Just switch them. You know it is allowed. You can substitute anything into the function. It's allowed. So this is going to be f of 1 minus x. In place of x, we have 1 minus x plus 3. In place of 1 minus x, it is going to be x. And this is equal to 1 minus x to the power of 2. Now, I would like to solve these two equations simultaneously. But remember, I am solving for f of x. And hence, we are going to eliminate f of 1 minus x. To do that, I think let us multiply this equation. If this is our equation 1, this is going to be our equation 2. Let's multiply this by 3. Why? I want the coefficients to be the same. You see the coefficient here is 3. I want this to be 3 as well. So we have 3 times f of 1 minus x plus, this is going to be 9, right? F of x, and this is going to be 3 times 1 minus x to the power of 2. Now I would like to bring this one down to subtract. But let's start with this one. You know you can switch them. This is 3 f of 1 minus x, then plus f of x, and the right hand side is x squared. All right, now I would like to subtract. This and this will definitely cancel. This minus this will give us 8 quantities. And this minus this to the right hand side, 3 times x minus 1 minus x, right? 1 minus x squared, then minus x squared. And lastly, you divide both sides by 8. So you have your functional equation. This is the solution. You don't have to expand, but if you want to, go ahead, but I will not do that. This is 3 times f of 1 minus x squared minus x squared divided by 8. This is our functional equation. No, there's no f here, sorry. 3 times 1 minus x squared minus x squared. But remember, we are looking for f of 1. F of 1 will now be equal to, in place of x, we write 1. So this is 3 times 1 minus 1 squared minus 1 squared divided by 8. F of 1 finally equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 squared is 0 times 3 is 0. 1 squared is 1. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So this is minus 1 divided by 8. This is our final answer. Now let me show you the second method. In the second method, first, I would like to substitute. Remember, we are looking for f of 1. So let us substitute x equal to 1. I don't have to write all of this since I am stating them verbally. So we have f of 1 plus 3 times f of what? 0. Yes. Equal to 1 squared is 1. Because 1 minus 1, if you substitute x equal to 1, this is going to be 0, right? And 1 squared is 1. Next, I would like to substitute x with 0. So this is going to give us what? F of 0. And I would like to write it down here. F of 0. And this is going to be 3 times f of 1 minus 0, which is 3 times f of 1. Write it down here. 3 times f of 1. Then to the right hand side, we have 0 squared, which is 0. Yeah, we have our system. But remember, I am looking for f of 1. So let us eliminate this one, f of 0. Let us eliminate it. But first, if this is our first equation, this is our second equation, let's multiply this by 3 so that they have similar coefficients. So this is 9 f of 1 plus 3 f of 0 equal to 0 times 3 is still 0. Then you bring down this one. You have f of 1 here, 3 f of 0 equal to 1. Subtract. This minus this will give us what? 8 f of 1. This and this will cancel because they are the same. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. And finally, you divide by 8. F of 1 is now equal to what? Negative 1 divided by 8. Exactly as this one. Yep. So this is just it.